The 2026 National Youth Day commemorations at Igaba Vocational Training Center in Marondera exposed the growing gap between government promises and the reality facing Zimbabwe's youth. Sarapina mashoko kudanyuka panapa mzimbai achidzi Mnangagwa's rhetoric fails to address young people's concerns. Don't forget to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa mzimbai mubdanyuka mchinzi. Critics argue that President Emmerson Mnangagwa's speeches continue to rely on rhetoric while serious challenges remain unaddressed. Speaking at the event, President Mnangagwa urged youth people to reject destructive behavior, shun finger pointing, and I commend the efforts of the Zimbabwe Youth Council, ZVAITWA, he said. Drug and substance abuse will have a detrimental effect on your future, while highlighting youth development programs and budget allocations. He insisted that youth development programs helped unlock productivity at household level and that the 2026 budget has allocated the funding to equip youth with the vocational training. The VTCs are being modernized to meet the 21st century standards. However, observers say that these promises are largely symbolic. Many vocational training centers remain under-resourced, and youth continue to face high unemployment, substance abuse, and social instability. Critics argue that government rhetoric does little to tackle the real problems confronting young people across the country. As the celebrations concluded, the message of the day appeared overshadowed by the disconnect between official speeches and the harsh realities on the ground, raising questions that whether Zimbabwean youth are truly being empowered or merely placated with empty words. Toma developments ari Zimbabwe na comment section medu zofundo aimbo to leave on 0 page. Subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.